In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email in Go High Level. Before we dive in, make sure you have access to your computer and a reliable internet connection. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Go High Level. Once you hit enter, look for the official website, www.gohighlevel.com, and click on it to open the homepage. Now that you're on the Go High Level site, it's time to log in. Enter your credentials carefully to access your account dashboard. Once you're in, we'll begin by creating your email content. Navigate to the Marketing section on the left menu, then click on Emails, and finally, Campaigns. This pathway will lead you to where you can craft your email campaigns with ease. Next, it's time to get creative. You have two options here. Either click the bright New button if you're starting from scratch, or use the three-dot menu beside an existing template to create campaign or select an existing one to modify. This flexibility allows you to tailor your message depending on your needs effortlessly. Once you've made your choice, it's time to use the email builder. Here, you can fully customize your content. Add everything you need: text, images, videos, and links to engage your audience. Remember, a well-branded email, complete with your organization's look and feel, has a greater impact. Make sure to include a footer with an unsubscribe link to comply with best practices and ensure email deliverability. Now we need to configure the sending options. This is where you decide how your email will appear to recipients. Specify the from name and the from email. These are crucial as they inform the recipient about who the message is from, and it helps build trust and recognition. The next step is crafting a compelling subject line. This is your chance to make a first impression, so be creative. Also, select your audience. You can send your email to all contacts, specific individuals, smart lists, or tagged contacts. Choosing the right audience segment can considerably enhance the effectiveness of your campaign. After your audience is set, activate email tracking and customize UTM parameters. These tools will offer valuable insights through reporting on how well your campaign performs and help you optimize future emails. Before sending, thoroughly review all your settings for accuracy. Decide if you want to send the email immediately, set it for a later date and time, or employ the batch scheduling feature for convenience. When everything looks good, click on Review and Send. This is the final step to launching your campaign and beginning your reach out to contacts. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to sending an email in Go High Level. With these steps, you should be well equipped to create and dispatch engaging email campaigns. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.